Hi guys, I've continued to work on a what if. It's a personalized project and it's renamed, instead of Arcoinstall, ArcoInstall. Basically I had the what if, and here is the official fork from ArcoLinux Arcoinstall. So this is the official application that ArcoLinux uses to install ArcoLinux with scripts and Python code. Copy pasted it and had a look at it, studied it, and at some point in time I got this idea: what if I can do this for ArcoLinux? So no calamares, but a pure Arch ISO. You type in Arcoinstall, you choose, in my case I want to have chat WM, and then you install, well, I install whatever I want, right? It's a list of packages and I just get the job done. So renaming ArcoInstall is where we are. And then we have, you git clone this thing. You git clone this thing and then right mouse click. Let's have a look. I've changed a few things. I thought this was not needed, but it is needed, so it's back. Here are some things I came across. If you have VirtualBox guest utilities and enable it and start it maybe, then you have a bigger screen, so 1920 and 1080. I think I need to talk to the guys of Arcoinstall because NVIDIA 340XX is installed, which is a problem in VirtualBox. You have to remove it and then Alacritty can run again. And I've made the list of the files longer. I want to have a 95% already okay. I mean, the way I see it, right? So the design here, the wallpapers, the cursor, fast fetch is there, Firefox is there, some melt, NeoFetch, all these things you see here have been added, plus all the others, right? They're not green. All those guys are now there. For instance, getting the folders, right? There is a way to get all these folders, music, desktop, and so on, and that's why we install this in one go, and everything is okay. So this is what I've done this morning, I guess. I was playing around also in Python code. I skipped that part now. It's I went out of that. I said, okay, let's better. Well, first of all, my knowledge of Python was not that good, let alone the Arcoinstall way of defining all kind of variables. So I said, okay, maybe it's better to stay out of that particular code and solve it in another way, because basically the only difference now between these two, which is always good, that you can compare. Hoopla. So compare these two guys, the official Arcoinstall and our ArcoInstall. If you compare it, it's not that much difference. That's maybe a good thing, right? So the desktop's extra chat WM Pi, these are all rubbish, not interesting. README is not interesting. Build ISO is making sure that we're root, making sure that we start with a clean slate. And this is new. I was tired of changing my keys all the time, so load keys BE Latin 1. So if you run this thing as is, you get AZERTY, right? Then I need to type always Arcoinstall advanced because I want to have the parallel downloads. So now I've created an alias, so I don't have to type the advanced bit anymore. And then press any key to continue, so users see, hey, remember, the keyboard will be changed, the alias will be created. So that's that. Those are the new things. Schema as well, so chat.wm has it there as well. We use our pacman.conf. In here we define where to get the stuff. So ArcoLinux, we're not going to test about the SIG level. SIG level is never. So no problems with keys and all that, and the server is just the one server, and exactly something similar can be done with EndeavourOS or Garuda or anything you'd like to put there in the pacman.conf, and you'll get the packages. The rest is maintenance, pushing everything online. And that's it. So that's the difference, the things I've done this morning. And in the next video we'll show what is done. I think we have already an ISO present that we could show. Well, let's do it in the next video. And this is the introduction, the technical bit. And the thing is, git clone the official one, right? Arcoinstall. So github.com ArcoLinux Arcoinstall. This one is github.com Eric Dubois Arcoinstall. Compare the two guys, and I'll do that too from time to time, since there will be updates. Now we have 3.0.1, I think, and from time to time we need to change it. So this is the personal what if. Is it possible to adapt the Arcoinstall to automate the installation of ArcoLinux with the chat.wm configuration and all its packages using an ArcoLinux ISO and configuring it through Arcoinstall? No columns needed. That was the idea I got yesterday. So you'll find on YouTube, maybe we should tell you that we have a playlist specifically for this, because I feels like possibilities can be enormous, right? I'm just doing this for chat.wm, but you could do this for GNOME, for i3, for so many things. So I've added here a playlist called Arcoinstall, and all the things about Arcoinstall will go in here, and you'll see it in the playlist. This is the second video, and the next video will be, let's see how it goes. All right.